Sound, heavy diesel rumble fades in under cinematic music. Visual, a montage of 18-wheelers rolling through mountains, highways, and urban jungles. Narrator deep and authoritative. What do you get when raw American muscle meets cutting-edge diesel technology? Introducing the Detroit DD18, the newest titan in the world of heavy-duty engines. It's bold. It's powerful. And it's rewriting the rules for freight dominance. But here's the twist. Is it just another bigger engine with a bolder badge, or is the DD18 the future backbone of America's trucking infrastructure? Backhand index pointing right. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you might just want to trade in your current rig. Pattern interrupt, humor reset. Let's be real, some guys name their engines. If your truck's got a name and a personality, you'll want to hear what this beast brings to the table. Articulated Lorry Act 1, Introducing the Beast. Let's start with the basics, or in this case, anything but basic. The Detroit DD18 diesel engine is an 18-liter, inline-6, heavy-duty engine, purpose-built for maximum torque and peak efficiency. This isn't a simple update of the DD15. It's an entirely new benchmark. Flexed biceps up to 605 horsepower, gear over 2,150 lb-ft of torque, fuel pump and optimized for ultra-heavy hauling, whether you're climbing through Colorado or stretching across Texas. Designed to handle extreme applications, think logging, mining, or oversized freight, the DD18 was engineered not just to meet expectations, but to crush them. But it's not just about brute force. Brain Act 2, Technology and Intelligence. Here's where it gets interesting. The DD18 comes with Detroit's integrated suite of smart technologies, from fuel efficiency tuning to predictive cruise control and advanced diagnostics that almost think ahead of the driver. Imagine this: you're heading into a steep grade. Most engines wait until your RPMs drop. The DD18, it anticipates the incline and adjusts torque output before you start losing momentum. That's not just smart, it's strategic hauling. Pattern interrupt, humor reset. It's like having a co-driver who's part trucker, part data scientist, and never complains about bathroom breaks. Wrench. And thanks to Detroit Connect, fleet managers can get real-time data on performance, maintenance needs, and even driving habits, optimizing uptime across entire operations. Now, compare that to traditional power plants and you'll see why the DD18 isn't just a bigger engine. It's a technological leap. Vertical Traffic Light Act 2 continued, reliability and build. Now let's talk toughness. The DD18 features reinforced internal components, upgraded materials for thermal resistance, and extended oil and fuel filter intervals. The result: less downtime. More miles. More money saved. The twin-scroll turbocharger ensures better low-end torque and high-end power, with smoother transitions and improved throttle response. Light bulb transition with excitement, but wait, there's a sleeper detail that no one's talking about, and it could change how you spec your next truck. Hourglass Not Done Act 3, the cliffhanger plus industry impact. Here's where it all comes together. The Detroit DD18 isn't just another engine, it represents where the industry is headed. Heavy checkmark, built for EPA compliance. Heavy checkmark, designed for future autonomous trucking compatibility. Heavy checkmark, and smart enough to keep veteran drivers impressed and younger drivers engaged. But here's the million-dollar question. Direct hit: will the DD18 become the new industry standard, or will traditional engines like the Cummins X15 and Paycar MX13 hold their ground? Because as fleets transition into smarter, cleaner, and more efficient systems, the battle between tradition and innovation is heating up. Fire, and the DD18 might just be the engine that tips the scales. Clapperboard outro. Call to action plus next video tease. So what do you think, is the Detroit DD18 the future king of diesel engines or just another overhyped upgrade? Let us know in the comments. Thumbs up, hit like if you love horsepower. Hammer and wrench, hit subscribe if you want the truth behind the torque. And don't miss our next video, backhand index pointing right Volvo D13 vs Cummins X15 European tech meets American legend. This isn't just about engine specs. It's about what drives America forward. End screen, subscribe now button, playlist of diesel engine showdowns, slow motion shot of DD18 engine revving.